Okay, what are we gonna say? And then,
Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you.
okay. Alright, it's time to go. Let's do it. It's showtime. It's showtime. Come on. Come on, let's go. Ikaw, you run to daddy fast and then you big hug, kiss, and then happy birthday, daddy, I love you.
Good morning.
What happened to our plan? What happened to our plan? Where's the plan, Isa?
What is Elsa dress?
Wala na, nakalimutan na.
Elsa dress. May plano kami. Elsa dress is, Tata washed it so we can use it again on Saturday.
What happened?
Remember?
It's dirty from yesterday. There's another trick or treat on Sunday.